I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells that contain numbers with unwanted spaces. This is the action that lets Excel act only where needed. Once selected, verify whether cells are text or number because text keeps spaces, number may hide them. Make a simple backup in a spare column using =A1 and fill down so you can revert. After backing up, you're ready to apply the first trimming method. This prevents data loss and clarifies the expected result. Now apply trim to remove leading, trailing, and extra internal spaces. Type =trim, A1 and fill down. If cells must be numeric, use value trim, A1, so Excel interprets the result as a number rather than text. Once the helper column shows correct values, copy it and use paste special values over the original range to replace the old data. Make sure to check formatting and decimal alignment. These steps convert and preserve numeric. Finish by validating results and addressing stubborn characters. Some spaces are non-breaking, char 160, so substitute those with =trim, substitute A1 char 160 to remove them. If values still misalign, run text to columns on the range with delimited next finish to force parsing. If numbers remain text, reapply value or change format to number and reapply paste special values. Troubleshooting tip: when changes don't stick, check for leading apostrophes or cell protection and remove them before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.